A recent trend in YouTube automation is the generation of hundreds of short videos in a very short period of time using AI technology such as ChatGPT and the Canva video editing tool's bulk creation process. We call this type of video automation as bulk video automation. We strongly believe that mastering this bulk video automation technique can provide any content creator a huge advantage over the competition and open up opportunities to get a slice of the huge YouTube and TikTok markets. Popularity of riddles and quizzes content. The short videos produced through this automation are popular with viewers, and the various channels based on this video are doing very well. The bulk video automation technique is well suited to generate particular types of short videos in the riddle and quizzes category. The Social Blade media site shows the monetization potential of the YouTube channels that are based on the riddles and quizzes category. The process of this YouTube automation essentially consists of only two steps: script generation by using ChatGPT and shorts generation by using Canva. In this free tutorial, we will teach you how to produce hundreds of YouTube and TikTok shorts using this automation process. Step 1. Bulk scripts generation by ChatGPT. The first step in producing hundreds of shorts is to use ChatGPT AI system to automatically generate the scripts for these shorts. We will use the following prompt to generate the scripts for 100 short videos. You can produce many more scripts as well. We will ask ChatGPT to produce 100 scripts for short videos on general knowledge quizzes. These quizzes will have a multiple-choice question (MCQ) format, and this has been included in our prompt. The prompt has been included in the video description box. Saving the scripts in a Word or Excel file. We copy and save the scripts produced by ChatGPT to an Excel file for later use in the automated production of the short videos. Simply copy and paste the scripts to an Excel file. Step 2. Bulk short videos. Generation by Canva. This step of the automation process is more involved and detailed in nature. First of all, start the bulk video generation in the video editor Canva by selecting Create Design and YouTube Short. You should select a background for your video. Select Elements and search for a background of your choice. Select an appropriate background from the available choices and adjust it accordingly. First of all, we will create a basic structure of our short video. This consists of adding the question of the quiz in the main text area. We will select and copy the question from the Excel file. Then we select the text icon and add a heading. We paste the question and adjust it accordingly. Now we will provide multiple choice as possible answers to the question. We will copy the first choice from the Excel file. We'll paste it by selecting the text icon and adding a heading and adjust it accordingly. We repeat the same process for the other two choices. We format the answer to the multiple choice question so that it will appear in the center after an appropriate time of 20 seconds that will be controlled by a timer that we will set after this. We have selected the green color for the answer. We want to mention at this stage a trick that we have used. We have to keep the short video consisting of a single page. The reason for this is that bulk creation works for single-page videos. Now, the background video is only 20 seconds long. So, in order to make it longer, we have used the trick to play it at a slower speed by selecting Playback. For the timer part, we have included a 20-second timer to enable the viewer to complete the quiz. We have designed this timer ourselves. Please let us know in the comments section if you would like us to prepare a free tutorial on how to design any duration digital timer in Canva. In order to make the content of the quiz to appear more lively, we have selected animation for the text part and the timer. You can also select appropriate animation for your quiz. An essential part of the quiz design process is the time synchronization of the various parts of the quiz. We have adjusted the timings of our quiz so that the question and the three choices appear first to the viewer one by one. After this, the timer appears and stays on the screen for 20 seconds. Then the choices and timer disappear before the answer appears. At the end of the quiz, we show the subscriber button to the viewer. For the music track, we have selected an appropriate music from the available music tracks of Canva. You should select a lively music for your quiz to keep your viewers engaged. The magic of bulk creation. Importing quizzes data into Canva. To initiate the bulk short video creation process in Canva, we first select Apps, and then we select Bulk Create. You should search for Bulk Create in order to use it. The main effort in importing the quizzes data into Canva is to click Enter Data manually, and then to copy the data from an Excel file and pasting it into the data area in Canva. You should make sure that all the required fields from the Excel data are copied correctly into the Canva data area. Any error in importing data from Excel into Canva will result in wrong bulk quiz creation. Creating connections between the quiz and the data. At this stage, we will create connections between the various fields or areas in our quiz to the corresponding fields in the 100 bulk quizzes data that we imported into Canva. We first click the main question field, and then we connect it to the question column in the data area. Next, we select the option A and connect to the Choice 1 column in the data area. We do the same for the other two choices. Finally, we connect to the answer with the column Answer in the data area. It should be noted that since it is a single-page design, the various components on the page may appear jumbled up and cluttered, so we have to move some components around in order to establish connections with the data fields. Once you have established connections with all the data fields, you should click Continue to move to the final part of the bulk video creation. Generating the 100 short videos. Now we are ready to generate our 100 short videos. With one click, we press Generate, and the Canva system starts generating the 100 short videos. For each of the 100 short videos, the Canva system will utilize the appropriate question, multiple choice, and answer fields in order to generate unique and accurate pages for all short videos. This is an amazing feature of Canva, which helps save time and effort in creating videos in bulk. This also enables content creators to achieve bulk video automation. At this stage of our bulk video automation process, we preview all the generated shorts in order to assess the correctness of the generated videos. After satisfying ourselves, we move to the last and final stage of this process. Last stage of the bulk video creation process. The last stage of this process involves the actual generation of the 100 short videos. The main requirement of the last stage of this process is that these 100 short videos must be generated as separate single pages. If this requirement is not met, then the bulk short video creation process will fail. Instead, we will get one long video of about 1 hour duration, which is not our goal. Hence, we selected single-page creation for our bulk video generation, and we were able to successfully generate 100 short videos. Demonstration of one of our 100 videos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to enable us to prepare more free tutorials for you. Thank you.